When you build a landing page, a sales page, or any type of page in your website and you want to add a button in that page, the button have different functionalities. And recently system.io added the custom button option in few more pages like upsell page, contact us page, webinar thank you page, webinar broadcast page, and order form. It means that now you can add custom button in these pages as well. So in this video, let's just talk about the different functionalities of a custom button inside system.io. So if you are a system.io user and if you want to know exactly what are the different options that we have inside system.io that we can do with a button, then just watch this video till the end, because after this video you will have the clarity exactly what are the different options and how we can actually use them in different pages. Okay, so let's just see in this video. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I am a funnel marketing coach and my mission with this channel is to give you the right strategies, tactics and knowledge about the sales and marketing funnels so that together we can build and grow our digital coaching and consulting business and live the life of freedom and abundance. Let's jump into my system account and open one of the funnels. So let me just open this one-to-one lead funnel. And in this funnel, as you can see we have a squeeze page and a thank you page. So it's a kind of, you can say it's a simple lead generation funnel, that's it. Okay, and the goal is to generate leads that we can hop on a one-to-one call basically. Okay, so now you can, as you can see in this page, let me just put this thing here so that you will be able to see the button as well. Okay, so now as you can see that this is the page. If we preview this page independently, it looks like this. Okay, this is how it looks, as you can see. Right now let's just do it. Let's just see the functionalities of a button. So basically when you add a button element that you can add from here, when you scroll down you will see this option button. Okay, so you will add button inside your pages, and when you add a button, what will happen, there are different options. So in this case I have selected pop-up, but let me show you what are the different options. You have submit form option, show pop-up, open URL, next step URL, and download file. So now let's just see all of them one by one. The first option is submit form. So basically this is the option that you will select when you have added a form, basically a opt-in form on your landing page. Okay, so when you add a form, let me just show you the option in here. So basically when you scroll down in the editor here, you will see form, and when you add this input form, so basically when you have added this input form in your funnel, in your page, and that we generally do inside in a lead generation funnel. So when you have this when you have added a form, then in that case you will select this form, this option, submit form. So what will happen basically when someone let me just select this option and show you exactly what happens. So when you select this option, submit form, you will get two more options. This one is to the next step, and this one is to a custom URL, and also there is no redirection. Three options are there. So to the next step means when you select submit form and you select to the next step, what will happen, it will take the it will take the customer or the the person who have visited your website to the next step of the funnel, basically. Okay, so if you have created, suppose, 3-step funnel, it will take the person to the second step, the next page. Okay, this is what happens when you select submit form and then to the next step. But when you select to a custom URL, what will happen, you can actually add your own URL, a different URL which is not the part of the funnel. Suppose you want to redirect them to your Facebook group, so you can just put the URL of your Facebook group here. Okay, suppose you want to redirect them to your Google Drive, maybe if you want to redirect them to your Instagram account, to your YouTube channel, whatever may be the place where you want to redirect them. Or maybe you have a page on your own on your website that you have built in WordPress or in any other platform, and you want to redirect them to that page. You can just put the URL here. You will just put the URL here and it will take them to that page. Okay, after they will submit the form. So this is how this option works. And when you select no redirection, nothing will happen. The person will select the form, the person will submit the form, you will get the data in the backend of that person, but nothing will happen. The person will stay on the same page. Okay, so these are the 3 options when you select this submit form button, submit form option. Now let's just see show pop-up. So basically show pop-up is an option where you can add a pop-up. So you must have visited a page where when you click a button, there is a pop-up appears, and in that pop-up it will ask you for the details like your name, your mobile number, your email ID, whatever may be the information the person want to collect. So basically, if you want to add those kind of pop-ups on your website, you can select this option show pop-up, and then you will select a pop-up. So basically you will select this option and then you will go to pop-ups and you will select add pop-up, and in this way you can do it. Or basically you will click on this button and here you will be able to see the pop-up. Okay, so as you can see, this is the pop-up, and now you can customize everything here. Okay, you can customize pop-up, you can edit settings of the pop-up, which I'm not going to cover in this video. But basically, yes, this is how you will be able to add a pop-up on your page, and when the person will submit the pop-up, again here you also have a button that you can customize again. Okay, in the same way, the way we are doing it. Okay, so here is also a button, and you can do the same, pretty much almost same thing that we are doing here. Okay, now let's just see the another option. Okay, so now after pop-up, let me just come here again and go to the third option, that is open URL. So when you select this option open URL, what you will do, you actually you can actually just add your own URL, any URL that you want to put, you want to redirect to your user, you can just put this URL here. So this is a very good option where this option is very useful in case you are actually building a page which is not a lead generation funnel. Okay, if you are not generating lead, but you are like on a page where it's a landing page where you given some information and now you want user to take action and you don't want collect data, you just want to redirect them to a different page. Okay, suppose you want to redirect them to a free video training, maybe you want to redirect them to a Google Doc, maybe you want to redirect them to a particular place where they can consume some information, or maybe download something from you. So you will just put the URL of that thing here, and in this way you will be able to redirect them to that page. And so basically it's a good option where you are not actually collecting any data. Right now, let's just see this option next step URL. So it is the same as like if you will select this thing, it will take the user to the next URL. Okay, next step of the funnel, like we did here in the submit form. We also did have this option next step, and here also we have directly this option is given next step URL. Okay, and then we have the last option, this download file. Basically when you select this download file option, you can add a file here. Suppose you have a PDF that you want to give to your user, so you will just upload the file here. Okay, you will drop your file, and when you will like add a file from your PC, and you will add it here. What will happen when you select this option, download file? When the user will click on this button, the file will be downloaded to the computer of that person. Okay, this is how it works. So basically, when you want to deliver something directly to your users, you want to give them a resource that they can download directly, you can select this option, download file. But this option uh, is not a good option in case you are generating leads. So basically, where you can use this particular option, it is very good when you use it on the thank you pages. Okay, because what happens is when you have a thank you page, on a thank you page, you can use this option, download file, and add a button where they can actually download the PDF. So on the first page you have generated the leads, and then you redirect them to the thank you page, and on the thank you page you can add this button. You can add a button and select this option, download file, and then you can add the file, so that when the person lands on the thank you page, the person will click on the button and the person will get the resource that you have promised on the landing page. So this is how you will use this option, download file option. So now we have discussed all the options. Submit form option, which is mainly very good in case of you are generating leads. So it's an option for lead generation funnel. This is the option where you want to add pop-up, and there is a there is a there it's a very good option, because sometimes what happens is you don't want to actually show the form on the landing page. Like I have selected the show pop-up option here, because in the landing page I don't want user to perceive like they need to submit any data. I just want to show them exactly what they are getting, and once they click this button, then a pop-up will show up and ask them for the data. So it's a kind of strategy that will actually help to boost conversions sometime. Because on the first place you are not asking for the data, so people just don't leave the page immediately, because so many people actually don't want to submit their data, right? So you just want them that they actually you actually try to make them interested first, and then you ask for the data. So this is the whole psychology behind pop-ups, and that is why this option is very useful. The third one is open URL. So basically you will take them to some particular URL, the custom URL that you have. The next step is like you will take them to the next step of the funnel, and download file. I have already told you, like you will add it on the thank you page, and when the user will click, they will get the file, they will get the resource. So this is how it works. These are the different options, and now I hope that you got the clarity about the different options that you have inside system.io. And for a button. Okay, when you add a button, what are the possibilities and what you can do. So let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt related to it, and if you have any specific use case where you are struggling. I would love to read and help you in that thing. Okay, so this is the time for an announcement, and this is an exciting thing. I'm really excited about it. I'm launching a Crush It with Mastermind. Crush It with System.io Mastermind, and this is a mastermind that you can get access if you will upgrade to System.io with my affiliate link. Okay, so if you are on a free account, or if you are planning to upgrade, and if you want the access of this mastermind, where we actually hop on a live call, and we will discuss the different strategies around System.io, different use cases. If you are struggling somewhere, there is a support system that we will try to solve your problems inside that mastermind. So if you want the more details about it, just drop me an email. Check the description where I have given the email, or it's also flashing on the screen. Just drop me an email with the word info, or just DM me in any of my social media account, and I will give you the detail exactly how this mastermind work. And when you will upgrade with my affiliate link, following the process that I will show you, what will happen, you will get the access to this mastermind, and inside that mastermind, we will like guide you, and we will help you with different use cases of system.io. So if you are interested, just drop me an email, okay? And that's all for this particular video. I have tons of videos on my channel related to system.io, and also I have different videos about funnel marketing, about building your digital and coaching and consulting business, and various other mindset related. So just go and watch them. You may be watching the card on the screen, just tap and watch that video also. So that's all. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.